This is Monday afternoon, March 27th, and I just had to follow up. I posted a short clip of last night's lightning and thunder. I've got more of it to put on YouTube. It was incredible. I could feel the thunder through my feet. It was just amazing. So we have even more water to share with you now. I'll head over, take a look at the creek down here, and we have some water. Yeah, I've got a glare. I'm trying to see what I'm looking at. There we go. Look at that. Oh, everything is just beautiful. Soft breeze. I'll give you the distance here. I am determined to stop panning so quickly and moving the camera around because I know it's got to be really annoying. And I'm hoping that the breeze is not making a big noise on the microphone, but we'll see. I want you to hear that water. Here we go. Back down to the little creek. There it is. Yeah, I'm having a guess here. Hold on. I'm just looking at grass right now. There we go. Yeah. My tiny waterfall. And that beautiful cedar that I shared with you guys was because the ground just got so wet that we've got roots just giving way and live trees falling over. It wasn't even a dead tree. So it's interesting because we have tons of those up above behind our house. So let's just hope they don't give way. Isn't the sky beautiful right now? We got that lighter true blue up there, and then we pan this way into the far distance and it's darker and a little bit more menacing. Oh, beautiful though. And I'm wrapping up that view on my March tapestry. Well, hello little bird. Aren't you bold and friendly? Hello there. I'm almost done with my March tapestry, and I don't see how I'm ever going to make anything but my view. For commissions, I'm sure I'll have to do somebody else's view now and again, but I don't know, I'm pretty partial to my own view. See if I can find that little bird. He was really bold. Hey, little bold bird, I see you. There you are. You can come to feeder, I won't bother you. The feeder's on the ground, huh? We had to put it down here so it wouldn't blow away last night. Ooh, somebody's getting bold. I think somebody hit the window. Hey. Careful, y'all. Don't hit the window. There you go. There he is. Sitting on my planter right there. I'm not going to hurt you. Did you stun yourself on the window? Yeah, you look a little dazed. A little dazed and confused right there. You okay? Oh, he looks kind of odd, doesn't he? Get a little closer. Are you all right? You hold on with your little bird feet? Let me see what's happening with this fella. Oh, he doesn't look right. Oh, what happened, little bird? Are you okay? Oh, my word. Look at his funny face. I think he's stunned. I think he hit the window. Wow. I wonder if he'll get over it. We had a hummingbird lay there one time. You probably saw the video on YouTube. We had a hummingbird that laid there, or maybe it was on Instagram, for like a minute, and we thought he was a goner, and then all of a sudden he just jumped up and flew away. He got over it. Let me see if he can... Well, he's moving his beak. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm not going to hurt you. Let's see if we can get a little closer down here. Hi there. Hi, little bird. Yeah, the light behind him is throwing off my camera. I'm not getting a good shot of him. Come up this way. Are you okay, little bird? Are you okay? Oh my goodness. That was not your best day, huh? Yeah, I will not hurt you. Why is your beak all the way open? What's happening with you? What's happening? Why is your beak so open? Yeah. You just kind of rattled? Did it addle your brains? I'm sorry, little bird. I hope you're going to be okay. Oh my goodness. Hard times for the little bird. Come around this way so we can see your front. Hello. Hello. Hello, little bird. Why is your mouth open? Why is your beak hanging open like that? I'm a little worried about you, little bird. Yeah, right there. Little bird right there. Are you alright? You okay, little guy? Yeah, you coming out of it? You don't have to worry about me. I won't hurt you. I won't hurt you, little bird. Back up and get some... Doesn't look... I can't tell if it's clear or not. I mean, this is such an opportunity to get a good shot of this little guy. Is that your friend calling to you, seeing if you're okay? Yeah, try doing that. Look at the bird. I mean, he is like a foot away from me. Hey, little bird, you're still holding on, aren't you? It's a long way down. Yeah. How close I can get. Hey, little bird, you feeling better? You're looking a little more normal. Can you close your beak? You're hyperventilating? Hyperventilating? Yeah, close your little beak. You're gonna dry out. Close your little beak. You're okay. Okay, small bird. I must sound ridiculous. I should just let you see the bird. There you go. Now you can close your beak. You coming out of it? You coming out of it, little bird? Smacked that window real good, didn't you? I heard a thud. You're looking more like a normal bird now. You're so pretty. The gray and the dove color and the kind of a silvery cream. You're a pretty little bird. Like a little finchy kind of fella. I wonder what you is. There you go. Let's get a good look before you fly away. You look like you're recovering. Yeah. What a day for you, huh? What a day, little bird. What a day, little bird. See how close we can get. Yeah. Hello, little bird. Hello, little bird. I won't hurt you. Be nice if I could touch you, but I don't want to scare you. I don't want to scare you. My hand. I'm not going to hurt you, little bird. We're friends now, huh? Your big black beady eyes, so pretty. Yeah. I dropped my phone all the way down to the yard. I'm about 8 inches away from this little guy. You beautiful bird. You look pretty relaxed. You look like you're okay, huh? You know I'm not going to hurt you. I like your shiny black beak. It's cute. Yeah, you're so pretty. I'm going to have to stitch you up, huh? And stitch a little version of you to remember you by when you fly away. I've got a good shot of you with all your colors. Your cream and your gray and your silver, your warm and cool whites and grays and blacks. You pretty bird. What you gonna do? Kind of waiting to see what you're gonna do. How you doing? You feel better now? I don't understand why you're not afraid of me. You just look pretty laid back, don't you? You don't look too worried. You're just hanging out together. You came out of that strange daze with your beak all stuck, and here was this human. And the human wasn't bothering you, so you thought, well, maybe I'll reset my whole view on this. Get some sense knocked into me by that window. This person won't hurt me. This person won't hurt me. They're right there. Hey. Hey, little bird. Is that camera interesting? Well, you're going to be a little YouTube star, you know that? You know, my friends on Facebook will give good luck at you, and Instagram. You'll be a famous little Ozark birdie. You don't have to have people tell me what kind of bird you are. Because you're so handsome. You are one good-looking bird. Like a little finch guy, huh? Or lady. It's hard to tell. Isn't that beautiful? Maybe my brother Jeff will paint you for me. How's that? Can he paint you for me? And then I can keep you? I'd like that. I think I'll send this to him. He does beautiful work on birds. He might do you justice. How you feeling? You feel like yourself again? Hi. I can't believe you're just looking at me. Hi, little bird. Hello, little bird. There's the front of the face version there. Doing a whole study of this little bird. Sideways, front ways, up, down. Look at all the little angles. For Jeff Starr, a beautiful painter of birds and other things. Does realism amazingly well. I'm just resting up. Hi. Hi, little birdie. Just you and me. You and me, little bird. Aren't you so sweet and innocent? I wish you could stay and be my little bird. Just let you in the house. Keep Lily away from you. Just be my little bird. I'm looking at my fingers up above the camera, tilting his little head. Yeah, hi. Here's my finger. What is that? Is that a big worm? That'd be a pretty fat worm, huh? Yeah. Get more angles before you fly away? I keep expecting you to fly away, so I just won't stop filming till you do. Having a staring contest, see who flinches first. I might run out of video before you fly away. Yeah. Hi, pretty bird. Your shiny black beak. Aren't you just so perfect? You're a perfect little guy. Yeah, hi. Look it this way. What's that sound? There we go. I think he's okay. He's right up there. I think he's just fine. Looking off into birdie destiny.